Hey everyone, experiencing audio delay on your Sony WH-1000X M6 while watching videos? This guide covers effective fixes to reduce lag and sync sound in real time. Switch to a lower latency code AAC or SBC using Sony app or system settings. Use priority on stable connection mode in the Headphones Connect app. Use a wired connection when latency-free playback is crucial. Close background applications and checking for interference. Try updating the firmware and device operating system. Why Sony WH-1000X M6 delay or lag when watching videos? Bluetooth latency, especially with a high bitrate codec like LDAC, incompatible or outdated codecs between devices and headphones. Heavy background processes on your phone or computer. Device specific limitation in audio video synchronization. Outdated firmware or software on headphones or host device. Fix 1. Close all background apps. Help free up memory, improve performance, and may reduce issues like Bluetooth audio lag. For iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, or double press the home button on older models. You will see all open apps. Swipe upon each app's preview to close it. For Android, tap the Recent Apps button, usually a square or swipe up gesture. You will see a list of running apps. Swipe each app left up to close. Optionally, tap Close All to shut everything. For Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Click the Processes tab. Right click any unwanted apps, then go to End Task. On iOS, right click or Ctrl plus click on the app in the dock, select Quit. Fix 2. Check device settings on Sony Connect app. The settings will uses lower latency codec and improve synchronization of headphones to the device. Open Sony Connect app, go to My Device and select Device Settings. Open Sound tab, select down arrow button near Bluetooth connection quality. Toggle on the switch near Prioritize Stable Connection. Fix 3. Use a wired connection. Wired connections will eliminate all Bluetooth induced latency, ideal for critical video viewing. Plug the included 3.5 mm cable into your headphones and the device. Plug the L-shaped end to the device and straight end to the input audio jack on the left ear cup. Fix 4. Optimize your environment. Bluetooth signals can be affected by physical obstructions and other electronic devices. Move closer to your device to ensure a strong Bluetooth connection. Avoid using your headphones near devices that can cause interference, such as microwave or Wi Fi routers. Fix 5. Remove and re add the headset. Removing and re adding the headphones clears any corrupted or outdated Bluetooth pairing data, which may prevent the Sony app from detecting the headset correctly. Step 1. Remove headset from Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and tab on My Devices at the bottom left of the screen. Select Go to My Device. Tap 3 dots near your headset and select Device Information. Select Delete icon at the top right of the screen. Step 2. Remove and re-add on mobile device. On iOS, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, find WH-1000X M6 under My Devices. Tap the eye icon next to it, then tap Forget this device again. Go to Bluetooth settings and tap WH-1000X M6 when it appears to pair. On Android, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, tap the gear icon or 3 dot next to WH-1000X M6, then select Unpair or Forget. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap Pair New Device and select WH-1000X M6 to connect. For Windows 10 or 11 to forget the headset, click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Find WH-1000X M6 in the device list, click on it and select Remove Device. Confirm by clicking Yes. To reconnect, turn on your WH-1000X M6, hold your power button until you hear Bluetooth pairing. On your PC, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth, click Add Device, then go to Bluetooth. Select WH-1000X M6 from the list and follow the prompt. For Mac, to forget the headset, click the Apple menu, go to System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Go to Bluetooth, find WH-1000X M6 in the list of devices, click the I or X button next to the headset name Select Forget Device or Remove. To reconnect, put your headphones in pairing mode, press and hold the power button until it says Bluetooth pairing. On your Mac, go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already. Wait for WS1000X M6 to appear, click Connect. Step 3. Re-add headset on Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and the app will begin automatic search for headphones. If it takes more time than usual, click search from Bluetooth settings, select the headset from the list. Fix 6. Switch to a lower latency Bluetooth codec. LDAC provides high-res audio but with high latency. AAC or SBC are more stable for video syncing. Go to Settings, scroll down to Developer Options, enable it by tapping belt number 7 times. Do not enable if your device is new and under warranty period. Scroll to Bluetooth audio codec. Change from LDAC to AAC or SBC. For iOS, the option is not available. Fix 7. Restart the device. If you find the issue with specific device, then try restarting it to refresh the connection and reestablish it. Windows, click the Start menu Windows icon at the bottom left. Click the power icon, select Restart. For Mac, click the Apple menu at the top left of the screen. Select Restart from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up, click Restart again to confirm. For iOS, press and hold the side button and the volume button until the power slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off. After the screen goes black, press and hold the side button again to turn the iPhone back on. For Android, press and hold the power button or power plus volume up or lock on some models until the power menu appears, then tap restart or power off. If powered off, press and hold the power button again or the lock or volume to turn it back on. Now reconnect to your headphones via Bluetooth before reopening the app. Fix 8. Initialize the headphones. Factory reset. If find the issue with all the devices, then factory reset. It will delete all old connections and corrupted settings that may block app detection, providing a fresh start. Turn off the headphones, hold the power plus custom NC or AMD button for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes 4 times blue. The headphones are now reset to factory default. Prepare them with your phone and open the app. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.